In the rapidly evolving real estate landscape of April 2026, the phrase, "buy my home for cash," has transitioned from a niche distress signal into a mainstream strategic choice for homeowners seeking certainty and speed. As mortgage rates in the United States hover around 6% to 6.3%, the traditional housing market has become a market of haves and have-nots, where repeat buyers and institutional investors dominate the scene with massive liquid reserves. For a seller in 2026, a cash offer represents more than just money. It is a frictionless exit that bypasses the traditional 45-day closing window, expensive staging, and the dreaded financing contingency. The rise of hybrid iBuying platforms and local investment syndicates has created a high-velocity environment where a homeowner can receive a binding, all-cash offer within 24 hours of an AI-driven digital walkthrough. High CPM keywords such as institutional cash home buyers 2026, sell houses is for cash USA, and real estate liquidity management attract premium advertisements from massive private equity firms, digital mortgage disruptors, and national moving conglomerates, making this a pinnacle niche for high-earning B2B and B2C content creators. A significant regulatory shift in 2026 that every seller must understand is the FinCEN residential real estate reporting requirement, which went into full effect on March 1, 2026. This federal mandate requires that non-financed, all-cash, transfers to legal entities or trusts, common in the "we buy houses" industry, must be reported to the U.S. Treasury to prevent money laundering. For the average seller, this means that while the deal is cash, the transparency and documentation requirements at the closing table are more rigorous than in previous years. To remain compliant with YouTube's deceptive practices and financial policies, it is critical to inform your audience that a cash offer typically comes with a convenience discount. While a cash buyer provides speed, their offers usually range between 75% and 92% of the fair market value, FMV, to cover their own holding costs, renovation risks, and profit margins. Promoting full market value for cash in 24 hours, without explaining these standard investor spreads, is a direct violation of safety standards and can mislead vulnerable homeowners. The 2026 model for a successful cash sale focuses on transaction transparency and the use of PropTech, property technology. Sophisticated buyers today utilize AI-driven, climate-resilient scores, and real-time neighborhood data to underwrite their offers, meaning homes in high-risk flood or fire zones might see more conservative bids. For creators, this niche offers immense value by explaining the difference between wholesalers, who assign contracts, and direct cash buyers, who actually have the funds to close. By providing evidence-based insights into proof of funds, POF, verification and the latest title insurance protocols for blockchain transfers, we empower the American public to unlock their home's equity with confidence. Furthermore, the 2026 market has seen a surge in sell and stay programs, where a cash buyer purchases the home but allows the seller to rent it back, providing immediate liquidity without the immediate need to move. Ultimately, the 2026 "Buy My Home for Cash" landscape represents a marriage of algorithmic speed and regulatory oversight, ensuring that every homeowner has a reliable, high-speed path to liquidity in an increasingly complex financial world.